Well, this is my first time judging Debating Matters, and I thought it was brilliant. I hadn't really realised how much work these students were going to put in and how thoughtful they were going to be, or how much pressure they're under, because it's okay when you're doing the opening remarks, but then you come under pressure from the judges and the audience, and that really tests your power of argument, I think. I think bringing in the audience is great because it means you've got everybody really involved, but also it means you've got a few left field questions, some of which actually are quite hard to interpret, and that puts you under a different kind of pressure. And as judges, we're asked to really try and be forensic in pushing panellists to think further and more deeply about a subject, which is also really effective, I think, in testing people's ability, not just to get the kind of headline argument, but to go beneath that and give examples. I mean, I find as a writer that it's much more effective when you use examples in your work that people can relate to. And just the top line rhetoric is great, but what's really effective is when you pick on those day-to-day examples that make something intelligible to a wider group of people. I think Debating Matters does give people something to take forward, partly because the subjects are really quite challenging. The one I did was about neuroscience. In fact, I knew very little about it and learnt a lot, and I suspect everybody involved in that would have learnt a lot. And it's different from the conventional debating that I did a bit of at university. When I was at university, debating was very much about flashy rhetoric and passion and trying to sail quite close to the wind. Debating Matters, it seems to me, is much more about substance and argument and really getting your point across in a sustainable way, not just at that snapshot moment of time.